Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into the world of ClickFunnels 2.0 surveys. Specifically, we're going to be talking about how to go in and collect user information in one slide, not three, not four, one slide. So things like email, phone number, name, whatever. You can collect that all in one slide at this point, which is amazing. Anyways, let's go and hop over to my screen here and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Now, first things first, make sure you're inside of an actual survey, right? At that point, you'll be good to go to follow this tutorial, all right? After that, let's go and add a brand new question to your survey by clicking on the plus icon in the location that you'd like to add this question. Personally, I would like to add this question near the end, just because we probably want to have them answer the questions first. And then after that, go in and give us their information. So you can see actually right here, I already had this set up. I had one with asking for their name and another one asking for their email. But in this case, we can go and just add one question to do exactly what we're trying to achieve right here. So click on the plus icon. From there, click on add question. And then up here under question type, you'll see an option for contact info. That's the one we're looking for. Click on that directly. And then at this point, you can go in and change the title from what it currently is. By default, it's going to be set to contact information. So use that as you will. But underneath that, you can go in and configure what questions you actually want to ask. If you only want the name and the phone number, or sorry, name and email, you can do so just by leaving those checked and then unchecking the phone number. That's it. All right. You can have all three set there. Totally up to you as far as what you're trying to collect. But as of right now, those are the three fields that you can have all in one question. And yeah, use that ability, use the power to your advantage. After that, go ahead and click on Save Changes. And just like that, we are now asking three questions in one. So that's it. Super easy. Nothing more needs to be done here. You can go in and customize that. You can always go back and edit it as you need. But for now, we're all set. All right. With that said, that's all I have for this video. If you have any questions around surveys, ClickFunnels Classic, ClickFunnels 2.0, anything ClickFunnels related, let me know down below and I'll point you in the right direction. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and I'll catch you in the next video.